In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Shein using Google efficiently. It's a simple process that will have you browsing and selecting products in no time. First, let's make sure you've got everything set up. You'll want to open your preferred web browser. Google Chrome is always a reliable choice, but feel free to use any browser you're comfortable with, as this guide is browser agnostic. Once your browser is up and running, head over to Google and type Shein into the search bar. Hit enter and you should see the Shein website appear as one of the top search results. Go ahead and click on that link and you will be taken directly to the Shein homepage. Now that you're on the Shein website, you'll notice a variety of products displayed right on the homepage. You could spend some time browsing through these options if you like, but today we're focusing on how to select a specific product you might be interested in. Take your time to explore the different categories and types of apparel or accessories available. Once you've found something that catches your eye, click on the product to open its detail page. On the product detail page, you'll find all the information you need to know about your chosen item, including different colors, sizes, and any special features it may have. But here's a crucial step for you. It's now time to copy the URL of this particular product page. This link is important because you may want to save it for later reference or share it with friends for their opinions before making a purchase. So go up to your browser's address bar and highlight the entire URL. Right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy from the drop-down menu. That's really all there is to it for today. These simple steps will have you navigating Shein via Google efficiently while allowing you to save and share your shopping interests easily. It's a helpful tip whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started. Remember, knowing how to efficiently navigate and share links can save you time and make your shopping experience much smoother. So, whether you're preparing to build a new wardrobe or just looking for that one statement piece, Shein has a wide array of choices that you can explore right at your fingertips. And now you know how to share those finds with ease. In summary, we've covered how to access Shein, select an item, and copy the URL for future use. Keep these steps handy and you'll find yourself navigating with greater confidence and efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy shopping.